다섯 번째 발표자는 KIS 제주 10학년 고지성 학생입니다. 이번 발표는 기후위기로 불안정해진 지구를 넘어 인류가 생존을 이어가기 위해 화성을 개척하고 테라포밍하는 과정을 설명하는 스피치입니다. 큰 박수 부탁드립니다.
For millennium, humans synthesize things. What do we need to make bronze? It's copper and tin. How can we make a clone? It's a DNA and a surrogate. That's what we did. We teamed up a specific material and then synthesized them to produce a certain outcome. Same thing applies to terraformation. If we need oxygen, we get it from the moon Titan. If we need iron, we get it from iron oxide. We combine these things and we will eventually be capable to settle in planet Mars. Climate change is not a distant threat anymore. According to NASA, the Earth's average surface temperature has risen about 1.2 Celsius, 2.2 Fahrenheit since the late 19th century, primarily due to human activities like burning fossil fuels. This may not sound much, but that increase has already led to severe consequences. Melting ice caps, extreme weather, and widespread ecological collapse. Earth, as we know, is becoming increasingly unstable, and many scientists believe that some of the damage is now irreversible. So what do we do when our home is dying? We expand, we evolve, and we look at the stars, specifically to Mars. Mars wasn't always a lifeless red rock. In the distant past, it had rivers, oceans, and possibly even the right condition to support life. Today it still holds frozen water beneath its surface, a carbon-rich atmosphere, and enough raw material potential to support future ecosystems if we can unlock it. Terraforming Mars might sound like much, but the science is already being developed. In fact, researchers are exploring how to warm the Martian surface temperature and build an atmosphere thick enough to sustain life. One powerful method is to use orbital mirrors or solar sail propulsion systems, technologies NASA is already working on, to reflect sunlight onto the planet and slowly raise its surface temperature. The rise in temperature will unlock the frozen ice caps in Mars, eventually contributing to the water supply for our terraformation of Mars. We'll also need oxygen to make Mars breathable, and it just so happens that the Saturn's moon Titan is rich on it. With advanced spacecraft, we could transport that oxygen to Mars and begin creating a habitable environment. In closing, we are at the turning point in human history. We can either continue watching Earth spiral to chaos, or we can take bold scientific steps to ensure our survival. Centuries ago, it was a dream only to be dreamed of, but in the present moment, we are approaching to reality. Terraforming Mars is a huge milestone, but we need to remember that it is achievable. Thank you.
인류 생존을 위한 새로운 가능성을 상상해 볼 수 있었던 멋진 발표 감사합니다.